Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to upload photos in Google Drive and share a link. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So we log into the Google account. I've shown it in more detail in this video. Now click the Google Apps button on the right side and find the Google Drive app and click on it. Google Drive has loaded and now we need to upload an image or photo here. Click New, then File Upload. A window has opened in which we need to select an image. We find the folder where the image is located and select it, and then click Open. The Upload tab has appeared in the lower right corner. We wait a few seconds, great, the upload is complete, and now to see the uploaded image, click on the Drive icon in the upper left corner. The page has been updated and here is our uploaded image. Your files may look like a list. If you wish, you can change it right here. Great, the image is uploaded and we need a link to it. Click these three dots or just right click and select Share, and then Share again. A window opened in which we are interested in the General Access field. Click on it and select anyone with the link. Now the person who receives this link will be able to view this image and download it. Now let's check how this link works. Click Copy Link, done, go to the address bar, right click, paste the copied link and press Enter. We wait a few seconds and here it is, our image. We can view it directly in this window or, if necessary, download it by clicking on this button. That's all I wanted to show you. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.